Hey guys, welcome to the Forex Trading channel. This is your boy Junior, and thanks for obviously being here and taking time to watch this brand new video on how to trade Forex. Before we go any further, subscribe to this channel, give it a like, comment, and share it with all your friends that want to learn Forex trading. Don't be mean, always share these videos to anyone that want to learn financial literacy. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the demo account, the truth about the demo account. The demonstration account, or you can call it the demo account in short. It's a platform given to you by your blockage or your blocker. Your blocker offers you a demo account so that you can practice how to trade money before you jump into the real money or the real platform where you trade the real money. So the demo account, they can offer you a virtual money of up to even $10 million. They can offer you $1 million. It's according to you on how much you want to put in. Like you can select and then how much appears in your demonstration account on your platform that you're trading onto. So in this video I'm going to tell you the advantages and disadvantages of using the demo account, and why, and things to take notice and be aware of when you're trading a demo account, things that you shouldn't do if you want to have success in the Forex market. So the first point is I'll start with the advantages. The first advantage is it gives you a feel of how the platform works, the trading platform. You know, when you're trading in the demo account, it helps you know how the demo, how the real account moves, because you're trading in the real market. So whenever you place trades in a demo account, it's the same trades that it's the same market that I'm also, let me say I'm trading the real money. It's the same market I'm trading in. So we are literally trading the same market, but for you the difference, you're in a demonstration account, you know. So it gives you a feel of how the market moves. That's the first point, like, you feel me? So the other point is it helps you see price action and in the market. You get to see how price moves on the other currencies. Let's say GBP, JPY, GBP pound. So you get to see how price reacts in the market on the demo account before jumping to the real account. That's for the demonstration account. So the third point is the demo account. You can develop a skill using the demo account before jumping to the real money. So in the demo account, you can practice your strategies. You can draw out a strategy. You follow your strategy and practice it into the demo account, so that you can develop a demo. So that you can develop a strategy in the demo account before jumping to the real money. So the strategy that you develop on the demo account is the strategy that you take to the real account. So you have to, if your strategy that you have created and you have practiced it in the demo account is successful, that means even the strategy works, so you take it to the real account. So basically the advantages of using the demo account, it just helps you to practice with virtual money, though it has also some disadvantages, as I'm going to tell you the disadvantages. And the disadvantages are the biggest, like they're more worse than the advantages of trading the demo account. And if you're still practicing the demo account, you have to practice more and more in the demo account, because you see even guys that the pilots, before they jump onto the real runways, they first go to stimulators where they have to practice and practice, you know. So you can't just jump to one thing to another. So if you're practicing real money without you first going to a demo account, you're doing something wrong. And I know you are blowing up account. So if you want to like learn how to trade Forex, you have to first practice in a demo account. Be confident with the market. So let me first tell you about the disadvantages of using the demo account. So the first disadvantage. So guys, so these are the disadvantages of trading the demo account. So these are things that you have to take notice of, and I hope that you change if you're still doing the same thing. So the first disadvantage is you develop an unhealthy fear, which will not help you succeed in the Forex market, you know. So by this I mean you develop a fear that is not unhealthy for the Forex market, because the fear that you have when you're trading in the demo account is not the same fear that you have when you're trading in the real account. So when you're trading in the demo account, let's say if you lose money, you don't. So lost money doesn't have emotions in the demo account. So you won't have any emotions connected to that money that you've lost in the demo account. That's why when you're trading the demo account, it's mostly advisable to trade in the demo account until you're confident. Note these words: until you are confident enough to come to the real account. So you have to develop all like a healthy fear for money. So if you're trading in the demo account, if you want to develop this fear, you have to treat that the virtual money as your real money. Even when you lose money in the demo account, you have to have this emotion that I've lost this money, like it's as if it's real, even though it's virtual money. But if you have this fear that I'm treating this money as real money, then when you jump to the real account or the real money, you'll be good to go, because you have been practicing the way you have been treating the demo account as your real money. It's the same way you're going to treat your account, because over a sudden guys treat demo accounts in a bad way, and then when they jump to the real money and they can't treat it the same way. That's why most traders fail in the forex market. So the second point is in the demo account, it makes you develop bad habits. Bad habits. This I mean, let's say when people are trading in the forex market, they tend to over trade the accounts. Let's say because they have big accounts like $10,000 in the virtual money, so they tend to over risk the accounts. You find people using big lot sizes of 5.00. You find someone using 100.00. I've seen guys, even some of my students, when they send me results and they're like, man, look what I did in my demo account, and I just look at them and just shake my head, and I'm like, you guys are just playing around, you feel me? So when you're in the demo account, you need to create like good habits. As I told you in the previous point, you need to develop this healthy fear. So this healthy fear comes even with the way you treat something. So if I'm treating the demo account as real money, so I'm going to have good habits, because on my real account, let's say if I have a real account of $100, I'm not going to place trades with one lot size, because I'm just learning how to trade forex. Even when I jump to a real account, I'm still learning. It's over a time when you gain experience, when you become an experienced trader. So even when you jump to the real money, so you just stick to discipline, small lot sizes, not over risking the account. But over a sudden, guys just develop bad habits. People want to see like big money on their demo account. Like that makes people like run mad. Like I don't even know how to explain this, but when guys see like big money, profits, very big profits on their demo account, like they feel so happy. But in actual sense, they're not developing any skill. They're just playing around with the market. That they don't know how it operates. Because trust me, when you jump to the real money and use the same thing, and I've had friends last month they played around with the demo with the real account using big lot sizes they're using in the demo account, and they blow up the account, the real account, just because of those bad habits. So those are the bad habits you need to leave behind. Treat demo account as the real money. So stick to the small lot sizes, stick to analysis. Don't just jump into the market and place whatever you want to place. So you need to chase out all the bad habits and stick the discipline that you need to have into the real accounts. The same discipline you need to have when you're trading the demo account or the demonstration account. So my point number 3, so guys, my third point on the disadvantages of trading the demo account is that you won't see how you really act when you're trading real money. So when you're trading the demo account, you won't see you won't experience the way let's say if you lose money, you won't experience that thought when you're trading the real money. So this is what I mean. So if you're trading a demo account, if you make losses or if you make profits, there are no emotions involved. You just keep on let's say if you place a trade and you make a loss, there are no emotions connected. So you just close that trade, then open another trade, you make profits, boom, you're happy for the day. But when it comes to the real account, like the way you would act, the way you would react is different from the demo account. Because let me tell you, in the demo account, when guys lose money, they come back and trade. They place more trades, they place multiple trades. But when it comes to the real account, when you lose money, you step aside from your laptop, you step aside from trading, you go back, It's nowhere you went wrong, you know. Make research. Take like a time off making research. Make your analysis. Ready to come back again to trade. But when you lose money in the real market, you don't just come back as a demo. That's why it's very wrong to stay in the demo account for a long time, you know, because the way you lose money, it's not the same way you lose money in the real account, the way you are. So as I told you in the previous note, that it develops bad habits, and one of the bad habits, when you lose money, you always jump back to, you want to revenge the market, you know. You want to revenge the market. Let's say if you had lost $1,000 with a lot size of 1.00, so you want to revenge the market, so you come back with a lot size of 10.00, so you make like $20,000 just to revenge back the market, but which is developing a very bad habit in trading forex. So guys, I want you to stay focused. When you're trading the demo account, take it as a real account. Focus to discipline. Yeah. So guys, in conclusion, on the truth about the demo account. So for the real account, guys that trade real account, they know it's very essential for discipline, to have discipline in the real account, so that you can manage risk. So like those are like some of the, so like those are the essential things all real traders that have. Like you have this essential discipline and everything, so that you can manage risk. But on the other hand, on the demo account, let's say some of the things feel unnecessary, like discipline is unnecessary, stop losses are unnecessary, because there's a saying that stop losses, they prevent them from making profits, you know. So that's one thing I left out on the disadvantages, on the bad habits. Like people avoid stop losses because stop losses stops you out from a trade. Let's say if you're making losses. Now when it comes to the demo account, people don't put the demo, they don't put the stop loss because they don't want to be stopped out. So they want the market after some time reverse and then make absolute profits, because the thing, the stop loss is there to avoid them from making profits. Yet it's just there to help you stop out if you're making a loss. Now if you come with the same mindset to the real account and you don't put a stop loss there, you know what will happen? You blow up your account, man. You get what I'm saying? So guys, in my conclusion, I want to tell you guys that focus on growth in all aspects of life. When it comes to forex, focus on growing your account slowly by slowly. Even if it's a demo account, focus on growing it slowly by slowly. Don't, if you're choosing the virtual money, don't choose $1 million to trade it. Choose small money, $200, $100. Flip it from $100 to $200. Flip that 200 from $200 to $300. Like maintain the same discipline, or maintain a character, like the same character that should be into the real account. So like I want you to stay humble, keep on going, don't give up. If you're someone who has been playing around with the demo account, it's high time you change up. Start taking the demo account seriously, and obviously you will have some success in the forex market. So guys, this is your boy Junior. Thanks for being here and obviously taking time to watch this video up to here.
Please don't mess up with the demo accounts. See the demo accounts, you might think you're making money, you're playing around, but don't even waste a lot of time in it. Learn to be disciplined. You get?
Discipline is everything.
Demo accounts are just there to give you that zeal in the live market. So you get? So, but don't waste your time. Don't blow up accounts because you think you're making money in the demo. You will still make in the live accounts.
In sense, you're just developing bad habits.
Yeah. So you just have to be steady. Like demo accounts for practicing, they should show you what you're going to do in your live accounts. But don't take demo accounts for granted.
Yeah.
Don't kill your money. We are looking for, don't spoil money, idiot. Subscribe before we leave.
Subscribe before we leave.
Yes.
Wait until our next video. Until next time.
Yep.
Share this video with all your friends and
enough. They have had.